This is an industrial reverse osmosis plant producing water for shampoo. The process flow includes chlorination device, raw tank boosting, pump quartz sand filter, 2 in parallel, activated carbon filter, 2 in parallel, water softener, anti-scalant dosing device, SMBS dosing device precision filter high pressure pump, RO UV tank. All valves are composed of electric butterfly valves to achieve automatic operation backwashing functions. RO skid part, composed of 7 RO membrane shells. Each shell contains 6 membranes, a total of 42 membranes. Control panel, Mitsubishi PLC, and 10-inch HMI. There are 2 cooling fans around the cabinet. High-pressure pump is equipped with a variable frequency starter. Add the UV sterilizers. Ensure that the